Remember my Shiba holder brother to Shiba is starting moving off after very bad fails. Yeah, this is reality, my friend. After when they take a very bad fall, my friend, after that they start move off like a rocket. So definitely, if you consider this time, mine is 0.75% they fails down, and that's no. If you know about this, my friend, to when Shiba take a long jump in a previous 7 days, my friend, exactly after a very big fall, my friends, they take a long jump. As you can see here, the last 24-hour chart is on completely bad. You could see here, this is Shiba chart of last 24 hour. So if you see this, my friend, then you understand this chart to after you can see here they completely falls down. Here is no big jump, my friend. Just for a continuous circulation, if you can see here, after a fails they take a jump, but this is not an equal, my friend. They cannot cross the resistance line. So if they cannot cross the resistance line, so it's mean to they are completely in the loss, and therefore you can see here minus 16.93% the price is fails down. So kindly holder, what we do in this current situation, what's the prediction of coming times they moving upward? This all questions or which ask me a holder, absolutely I answer you in this video. But before I get started this video, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel, and yes, press the bell icon for all videos notification. Thank you so much everyone again. Alright, if you can see, my friend, after a short fail, you can see here they completely take a jump. So it's me, this is a reality what I tell you, my friend. It's mean to after a fails they take a very long jump. You can see here before 7 days they take a very bad fall, my friend, but after that, if you can see here, my friends, they completely also fails down, and you can see here they take a short jump, but they fails down more and more. I hope, my friend, after this they also take a jump. I don't do they take a short jump or they take a high jump, but I hope, my friends, today take a jump. So kindly hold it and wait for this jump. I hope, my friends, they give you very good profits and they take a very long jump. So if they take a very good jump, my friend, I hope they can make you millionaire. So you just wait, and I hope they move up in upcoming times. Kindly like me, if you are a long time investor, then absolutely I have no plan before 2022, the start of 2022, to I sell it. So therefore Shiba holder, kindly make a good money in a Shiba, because this is viral token. So kindly invest now, because remember, this is not a financial video. Yes, remember, this is not a financial video. If you want to research, if you want to invest, then please research personally. This is very important for you.